Oh, she's running me so far down there. Alrighty, you guys, welcome back to yet another video. As you can see, back in the truck for this video, and my truck sensors are yelling at me. But I'm actually staying at a campground tonight. It's a beautiful, lovely, late May, early summer night here, and I just picked up, I'm just gonna be staying here at the Ionia Recreation Area, which is like a state park pretty much. Just got my little park pass right here, campground pass, and I'm gonna go find my site and settle in for the night. Here we go. Up. All right, I think we did it. Up here, we're good. Well, you guys, just pulled into the campsite here. As you can see, there's the view around me. A couple empty sites. Looks like it should have most of this little area to myself. But let's go check it out. Set you guys right about there. Doing something I very rarely do on this channel, which is camp at an actual established campground here. But as I said, this is the Ionia State Recreation Area. It's got like a lake, and it's got like horse trails, cabins, a beach, you know, playground, bath, shower house. Every once in a while, especially when the weather's nice like today, I do really enjoy, especially in the summertime, just going to a campground, having like the feeling of safety and security. Great summer camping vibes. It's tough to beat. Campfires, people having a good time and just hanging out, and you just kind of feel like you're just part of a little community here. And yeah, it's about 6:30, 7 o'clock right now. I think I might get a few things situated, maybe go for a hike, maybe do a little bit of fishing, and then get a campfire, get dinner going. Let's get into this video. Well, guys, just left my campsite and got my fishing pole in hand. Absolutely perfect, gorgeous evening here out in nature. But I'll catch you guys down at the lake. The woods, the way the sun is coming through this little plot of trees right here, it's so pretty. But here is the lake. You can see the beach. And while everybody's fishing up here, I'm gonna go check down the dam down there. See if there's maybe some smallmouth down there. I can already see some bluegill. I mean, this is basically just a little ditch of a creek. Just see if we can't catch anything. Oops. Suppose I gotta open the bail to catch fish. Well, I was wrong, you guys. Look at that beauty of a little bass. Little 12, 13 incher. That was awesome. Sight fished him. There she goes. Back, like literally this is a puddle. It's wild. Caught that fish on the only creek fishing lure you'll ever need. Little Ned rig right there, like a little ruby speck color. Oh my word, you guys. This hill is getting my cardio in for the day. This is where I came from. Almost 8 o'clock. Got sunlight until like 10 o'clock these days. Fish. Got one, you guys. There we go. There's some fish in here. Oh yeah. Just a little bass. Get up here. Look at that. Somehow the bass I caught in the lake is smaller than the one I caught out of the ditch. Feisty little guy. Nice healthy fish. A little 9-10 incher. Get him right back. That's awesome. Caught a fish out of the culvert and caught a fish out of the lake. I'd call that a pretty successful evening. All right, last cast. I mean it. Well, all right, this is voiced over Damien from the future to narrate what we're cooking for dinner tonight, as I am just too embarrassed to loudly talk to myself in front of a bunch of people at a campground. But anyways, for dinner tonight, I just looked up a simple recipe online. This is a beef and rice dish, and it's extremely easy to make. And I love making budget-friendly meals when I'm out camping. If you guys have any good recommendations, leave them down in the comments below. But here's this one if you want to try it out yourself. The first thing you'll need is a box of instant rice. I already had this in the truck with me, so I'm not sure that's much that'll cost you. A couple bucks probably. Then you need a pound of beef, which unfortunately is not at all budget-friendly right now, but this was about like $6.98, I believe, when I picked it up at Walmart. Next thing you'll need is a small can of diced tomatoes. I think this was 98 cents. Next thing, brown sugar. I believe I got this for like $1.84. Crazy cheap. I wish you could just buy it in small amounts and not a whole giant bag that I'm not going to need. 1 onion. I believe this was like 87 cents. And then for spices, I didn't have all the ones that you needed for the recipe, so I just used a couple of the ones. I just used a couple random ones that I had. A little bit of garlic powder, some paprika, and then a good bit of salt and pepper. And that is pretty much everything. I have no idea what the total cost of this meal will end up being. I'll probably throw it up on the screen. It probably is not going to be as cheap as I would normally like it, but that's all right. You could probably make a good couple servings of this and have a lot of ingredients left over if you're making it from scratch. We are filling up this entire pan. Oh, good heavens. There's no way I'm eating all this. Oh my goodness, it's after 9 o'clock already. I'm starving. And I'm gonna have to be starving if gonna have any chance of winning this fight with this entire giant pot of food. Dinner is all finished. Turned out, I think, pretty well. Rice is a little bit soggy, and I made a big mess, but looks pretty delicious. Beautiful night here. Alrighty, you guys, just made it inside the truck camper for the night. As you can see, only got 2 lights that are charged right now, but I brought in the rest of my dinner. It's well after 10 o'clock already. I'd say I'm about halfway through it. Really, really delicious. I was kind of surprised. I just sort of threw it together. Wasn't totally sure exactly what I was doing. It was not exactly what the recipe said. Probably could have diced up my onions a little bit better, and obviously, and had a bit more heavy on the seasoning, but it's super delicious. I'd definitely make it again. Yeah, you can see my campfire right out there. Nice and cozy in here inside the camper. Just got tucked into bed here, mostly cleaned up, finished my dinner. It's well after 11 now. I'm gonna be getting into bed here pretty quick. You can see my fire is mostly out there. I just did a thorough tick check, and I think I'm all good. Hopefully I'll check again tomorrow morning, make sure nothing got crawled into my sleeping bag or nothing. It was a great environment tonight, nice and peaceful. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good night. Oh, good morning. Good morning, you guys. There is the view outside the camper this morning. Got down to like 55, 60 degrees last night. Good sleeping temperature. Slept pretty good last night, and it's almost 8 o'clock. I'm gonna be getting up here pretty quick, get things cleaned up, and get on out. I think it's time to get up in the morning. Well, all right, you guys, just came out down from underneath this trail. I've made it to the creek that I'm gonna be fishing today. Left the campsite. Actually gonna be wet wading. I got new Crocs finally. If you've been on this channel for a while, you know I've had some pretty rough Crocs. There's one. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Feels like a good one. Didn't take long at all. Feels like a smallie. Oh yeah, not a bad fish. Okay, he's pretty small. Little smallmouth bass. We're catching largies yesterday at the lake in Culvert. Beautiful first fish of the day. Get him right back. This is so much fun. That was like my third cast too. Oh, you're up. There's another one. We're catching them today, baby. Oh, these things fight so hard. A little bit bigger than the last one. Same spot as that last one. Look at that, another beauty. Get him right back. This is not an easy creek to wade. It really takes a toll on your your feet. Caught a couple rack bass, a couple more smallies. I'm not gonna get them all on camera today, probably not even close. Best fish of the day, you guys. Just a chunky little 11, 12 incher right there. Hooked right in the side of the gill. Look at that, he's got a belly on him. Oh, there's one. There he is. Oh, it's a big fish. That's a big fish. Oh, baby. Oh, he's going crazy. I love that green pumpkin. That's my favorite color. Nice little creek smallie. There's one. There he is. Just a little guy. I love smallmouth bass. Woohoo! Just so aggressive. It's unbelievable. I don't usually catch anything in here. Oh, there's one. Woo-hoo-hoo. There he is. Beautiful fish. Just look how beautiful this spot is. I love creeks. Yep. Oh, baby, that feels like a better one. That's definitely another smallie. Creek smallie. So much fun. Switching up to my favorite creek topwater bait. Heading, tiny torpedo right there in a baby bass color. Let's see if I can get up over this. Ugh. Oh yeah. Don't you break off. There we go. Nice little smallie. Oh, easy. All right, beautiful little patterns on him. Another 12, 13 incher. Put him right back. All right, let's go up in that pocket up there. Perfect cast. Oh, baby. Oh, that was a good eat. Where'd my bait go? Oh, I still have him? Oh, I do. What was that? I don't think he's that big. Oh, he's got one chasing him, I think. Switching up to a little popper now. Oh, I think that's the best fish of the day. I think that's the biggest of the day. Oh, yeah. Come on. Gotcha. Oh, that is such a nice fish, you guys. Wow, he barely even ate that popper, so I didn't really think nothing of it. I've never caught a fish in that spot in this creek before, so I didn't really think anything about it. Beautiful golden colors, just beat up. River bass. Look at that. There you go, girl. Come on. Yep, there's one. There it is. That feels like a smallie. All right. Okay, this fish is going. This fish is literally fighting harder than that 16-incher I caught. Another beautiful fish. Goodbye, bud. Every cast at this point. Our 12, 13-incher. Yep. There's one. Really good fight. it can get just absolutely ridiculous. Another one. Yep, got one. There's one. Oh, look at those head shakes. I could do this all day. Oh, another 14-incher. Beauty, nice colors. Yep, there's another one. Oh my goodness. Multi-species action. What a largemouth bass, that's awesome. Oh, you guys, I got a big fish. Oh, this might be even bigger than that last one. Oh, she's running me so far down there. Oh boy, I might have to chase this fish. Holy crap, look at the run this fish is taking me on. Dude, I thought I caught all the fish out of this hole. I have to play this drag so carefully. And I just hit this hole from a different angle. Oh, this is a giant. Oh, biggest fish of the day, easily, without a doubt. What the heck, where did this fish come from? Oh, she's running at me, she's running at me, she's running at me. Oh, she's right in front of me now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that's a stud, you guys. Oh yeah. No, 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 no. Go, baby! Look at the size of that creek smallie, baby. That's 17, 18 inches all day. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this mud. Oh, that's nasty. My feet are toast. Okay, I gotta find a safe place to handle this fish here. Look at that fish, it's a hog. Absolute stud creek smallie right there. 17, 18 incher. Gonna get a release on her. Beautiful 17, 18 inch creek smallmouth right there. Doesn't get much better than that. Look at that beautiful fish. Gonna get her right back. Another good fish on, you guys. Beauty. Calm yourself, calm yourself, calm yourself. Heck yeah, dude. What the heck? That's a super nice fish. Another beautiful creek bass. All right, girl. See you back. Put a whooping to the bass. Caught a couple really nice fish. Caught just a ton of fish. Just in the middle of nowhere, farmland. Very rural, tiny town. I don't have any reception or anything. My feet are in rough shape. Oh, and these socks may never see the light of day again.